Ronghua Refractory Lab Room. I will introduce our company's product and service to you. Henan Ronghua Refractory Material Technology Company Limited is founded in 2006, located in Henan City, which is called the refractory capital of China. Now it has developed into a high-tech refractory enterprise, integrated research and development, production and sales. Our products mainly include refractory bricks, insulation bricks, and monolithic refractory materials, which can be widely used in metallurgy, chemical industry, building materials, electricity, non-ferrous metals, carbon industry, and so on. Abundant raw material, strictly quality controlling, advanced testing instruments, professional engineering. These factors have earned us a high reputation from our customers by providing high-quality products at a low price. Welcome friends who have just entered to our lab room. I will give you a brief introduction about some of our main products. Alumina fabric. The main component of this fabric is alumina, Al2O3. It can be classified to different grades according to the alumina content. High alumina brick is formed and calcined from bauxite or other raw materials with high alumina content. The density ranges from 2.1 to 3.0. It has characteristics of high refractoriness and load, high temperature flexural strength, low thermal expansion rate, high thermal stability, and a refractoriness of more than 1770 centigrade. It also has good slag resistance and is mainly used for lining of high-temperature kilns, such as steel-making electric furnaces, glass melting furnaces, cement rotary furnaces, power plant boilers, and chemical plants. Number 2. Fair clay bricks. Fair clay bricks are made of clay as the main raw material, with high refractoriness, compact bulk density, low porosity, and good volume stability. Fair clay bricks are weakly acidic refractory products, which can resist the erosion of acidic slag and acidic gas, but have a slightly poor resistance to alkaline substances. Fair clay bricks have good thermal properties and are resistant to rapid cooling and heating. They are widely used in various thermal kilns. Their performance is inferior to that of high alumina bricks, and they are mainly used in kiln linings, partitions, and other parts. Number 3. Magnesia chrome brick. Magnesia chrome brick is a refractory product with magnesium oxide and chromium trioxide as the main components, and pericles and spinel as the main mineral components. This type of brick has high refractoriness, high temperature strength, strong resistance to alkaline slag corrosion, excellent thermal stability, and a certain adaptability to acidic slag. Magnesia chrome brick is mainly used in the metallurgical industry, such as building, open hearth furnace top, electric furnace top, external refining furnace, and various non-ferrous metal smelting furnaces. Magnesia alumina spinel brick. Magnesia alumina spinel is made of high-quality bauxite with Al2O3 content of more than 76% and high-quality lead-burned magnesium powder with MgO content of more than 95%. It is sintered at a high temperature of more than 1800 centigrade in an ultra-high temperature tunnel kiln. It has a big volume density, high mineral phase content, good grain development, uniform structure, and stable quality. Magnesia alumina spinel has good erosion resistance, good slag resistance, abrasion resistance, good thermal shock stability, high temperature resistance, and other performance characteristics. It is an ideal raw material for the production of magnesia alumina spinel bricks, ladle lining bricks, ladle castables, and other refractory products for high temperature zones of cement rotary kilns. Corundum mallet brick. Corundum mallet brick is composed of corundum and mallet main crystal phases. It is made of high purity or relatively pure raw materials. The presence of low melting point oxide impurities will reduce its high temperature performance. Pure mallet raw materials, synthesized from industrial aluminum powder, and pure clay, bauxite, or silica are used. Especially the content of alkali metal oxides should be as low as possible. Bricks made with mallet smooth grain material as aggregate have good thermal shock resistance, but slightly poor corrosion resistance. Bricks made with corundum sand as aggregate have good corrosion resistance. Silica mallet brick. Silica mallet brick, also known as high alumina silicon carbide brick, is baked brick with high wear resistance after pressing and molding with siliconate. Mallet, high alumina bauxite clinker as the main raw material or other auxiliary materials. It has dense structure and good wear resistance. The structure of silica mallet bricks is high in density, and the volume density is generally 2.7 to 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter. Since silica mallet bricks have excellent density, strength, and wear resistance, they are widely used in cement rotary kiln, secondary firing part, filter part, and other parts. In addition, silica mallet bricks have high refractoriness and load, and good high temperature performance. The refractoriness and load of silica mallet bricks is above 1450 centigrade, and the highest can reach above 1650 centigrade. Refractory balls. Distinguished by raw material, there are high alumina refractory balls, corundum refractory balls, silica refractory balls, magnesium refractory balls, mallet refractory balls, and so on. Ordinary refractory balls are suitable for sulfuric acid, fertilizer industry convert, reforming furnace. High alumina refractory balls are suitable for iron and steel, urea, hot air, and other industry furnaces, heating and converting furnaces, and other equipment. Acid-resistant bricks. Acid-resistant bricks, are available in two types, glazed and unglazed. It is mainly made of quartz, feldspar, and clay as the main raw materials, and is made of corrosion-resistant materials through high-temperature oxidation and decomposition. It has the characteristics of high acid resistance, low water absorption, not easy to oxidize at room temperature, and not easy to be contaminated by the medium. It is widely used in the towers, pools, tanks, and landing masonry tanks in the petroleum, chemical, fertilizer, pharmaceutical, brewing, dairy products, papermaking, smelting, chemical fiber, and electrolysis room, laboratory and power generation, gas, and other industries. It is an ideal product for the anti-corrosion and heat preservation of the chimney lining of thermal power plants. Fair clay insulation brick. Fair clay insulation brick, also known as lightweight clay bricks, are made of high-quality clay as the main raw material and sintered at a high temperature. It has the advantages of high strength, good thermal shock stability, small change of refining line, and small thermal conductivity. Working temperature is not higher than 1200 degrees Celsius, with high efficiency thermal insulation, not be exposed to fire directly. Fair clay insulation brick is widely used as a cooling lining and insulation layer in metallurgy, machinery, ceramics, chemical industry, and other industries. Is the ideal energy-saving products. AZS bricks, also known as fused zirconia cradle bricks. A means alumina, Z means zirconia, S means silicon oxide. It belongs to high-end refractory bricks. AZS bricks are made by carefully selected zircon sand and industrial alumina powder. It has high hardness, excellent corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, and good thermal conductivity. So they are mainly used in industrial furnaces, such as glass furnace, sodium silicate furnace, ceramic frit furnace, chemical industrial furnace, metallurgical furnaces, and so on. Mallet insulation brick. The performance and refractoriness of mallet insulation brick is high. It can withstand a high temperature of 1800 degrees Celsius, but at 1600 to 1700 degrees Celsius, mallet insulation brick will start to soften and will not burn. However, it also has a high compressive strength at room temperature, in the range to 70 to 260 MPa. Good thermal shock resistance. Mallet insulation brick can be directly contacted with the flame, has the characteristics of high temperature resistance, high lightness, small thermal conductivity, and a remarkable energy-saving effect, and so on. It is suitable for the lining of various industrial kilns. In addition to fire bricks and insulation fire bricks, we also produce various monolithic refractory material, such as castable, ramming mass, refractory mortar, refractory cement, and so on. If you need, we can provide samples for free. You just need to pay the freight cost. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. You can also contact us directly for any inquiry or technical problem about refractory materials. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.